Whole world, Wendy from Cali here, back with a Color Street Color Play unboxing. If you haven't received your box yet, or if you don't want to see spoilers, please click off of this video. Otherwise, if you want to see my first impressions, keep watching. This is Gothic Beauty, October 2023, and I'm interested to see if this design, this specific design, or at least this color, which looks very much like Perfect Poison, one of the ombre sets that was released with the Don't Be Afraid Halloween collection this year. Hoping something like that is in here. But let's find out, shall we? Alright, so I have not opened this yet. Just got it when I got home from work today. So, let's see this together. Alright. I'm going to put this over here for now. We'll look at it at the end. Let's flip the sets over. And just as normal, we have the Color Street file and the nail prep pad. And then what's the free item? Let's look at the free item first. Ooh, oh, is that makeup? Barry Vamp! Ah, Color Street, Fall Park, you finally listened. That is makeup. That is a sample size of makeup. OMG, you don't understand. I love makeup. I don't wear it on the daily, but I don't know if you know, but I am obsessed with all of the balms that Color Street has come out with. The highlighter balm, the bronzer balm, the blush balm, the lip balm. I'm just gonna rip this open. Dang it, now I really wish I got like 2 of these boxes. I only got 1 this time though. Jeebus, they don't make it easy to open, do they? Slice it open. Alright, here we go. Barry Vamp. I'm already like in love with the name of that blush. Like, come on! So spooky and so awesome. And kind of matches my nails. Bloody gorgeous. And me Cultura. I have a client event to go to tomorrow, and that was the design of nails that I decided that I wanted to go with. I actually took inspiration from a nailfee I saw in one of the Color Street nailfee groups. So thank you for the original poster. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh. Oh. Ooh, that is red. Ooh, but it blends out so well. Oh my gosh. I'm so wearing that color tomorrow to my client meeting because... Sorry, I'm sniffing it. You know, I could totally use this on my lips too. I love makeup that does double duty, and it's such a cute little tiny size. Travel, easy travel. Love it. Okay. Enough. We're here to see nails, right? We're here to see nails. All right. Beautiful Nightmare. Ew, I'm already loving the name. Let's see what Beautiful Nightmare looks like. Does that look like a beautiful nightmare to you? That looks like... I mean, it's beautiful. But Beautiful Nightmare? I guess it's supposed to look like what? Dracula's teeth? I have no idea. It is beautiful, though. I'll tell you that. But I don't know if it matches with the name. Like, I would have called it High Stakes. You know, a play on Dracula's wooden stake through the heart. Anyways, Beautiful Nightmare. Still very beautiful. What color is it? I will read the pamphlet after. But that is a Beautiful Nightmare. And I apologize for the lighting. I don't know how else to light this room. It's pretty dim. And it's getting towards nighttime, so I apologize. Shadow Sisters. What's Shadow Sisters? Ah! Sorry for those using headphones. I love this. Yes! It reminds me of, what does it remind me of? Oh, a little bit of Flake My Day with 1 in 4 mixed with Underground Magic. Yes. Oh, Shadow Sisters. I love Shadow Sisters. Dang it. I really wish I got 2 of these boxes. Alright. Cursed Beauty. Cursed Beauty. Oh, I love it. It matches. It matches the design. Oh, totally. Oh, yes. That's definitely an overlay. Cursed Beauty. Oh, there's only 4 this time. They must all be, ooh, full sets. Dark Side. Okay, hashtag exclusive Midnight in Manhattan with a different name. Dark Side. Oh my gosh. But I kid. Alright, look at that. Look at that. I still think, I need a set of Perfect Poison. I have not actually purchased any of the Halloween sets besides Frankenshine because I'm trying to watch my Halloween spending. I already have way too many Halloween sets. But Perfect Poison with that purple. Oh, and they need to re-release Bloody Gorgeous. Because, I mean, look at it. It's bloody gorgeous. So these are the 4 sets. And I'm not sure how I'm going to use them all together. But I will figure out a way. Those are the 4 sets. Let's see what Color Street has for us. This is Gothic Beauty. So it looks like they're using Dark Side as French tips. So in this month's box, be mindful of what you wish for in Color Play's Gothic Beauty box. This box features a glamorously grim gradient glitter, vampish dual-ended shades, and a bewitching flourish accented clear overlay to create a look that holds your deepest, darkest secrets. Follow any of the 3 suggested nail designs or create your own bespoke mani that will haunt a lover's heart. Bonus item. Add a touch of dark elegance to your makeup look with Berry Vamp, an exclusive deep berry red blush balm. Like I said, that blush balm could totally be used as a lip balm too, I swear. But yeah, these are the options. Where's your mani meter? Victorian Vamptress, with just the Shadow Sisters and Dark Side, which is this image here. And then Mysterious Mistress is Dark Side and Beautiful Nightmare. So it looks like very, very quiet looking mani, I think. And Ominous Goddess, Dark Side, Cursed Beauty, Beautiful Nightmare, and Cursed Beauty. I mean, that's beautiful, right? How do we add a hint of color, like an accent nail? Hint of color. And then there's the little scan me QR code if you want to go see the videos of those different manis. And then you can share with us. I still forget every single time to share my mysterious manicure on social media using those hashtags. Hashtag color play. I gotta remember, but I never remember. I don't know. How am I gonna remember? But here are the strips. So Shadow Sisters is a full set. So that's 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a glitter set. It says, listen as they whisper tales of forbidden love with this black to dark raspberry gradient glitter. Yes. Cursed Beauty is also a full set. And this one's clear nail art. Embrace your cursed beauty by layering this clear overlay with flourish accents over your custom manicure. And then Dark Side is also another full set. This one's a cream chevron French, they say. Let your heart be drawn to the shadows with this black dual-ended shade. And then Beautiful Nightmare is also a full set. This is a glitter pointed French. A beautiful nightmare unfolds on your nails wearing this pale champagne dual-ended shade and with holographic glitter. Yes. Alright. I really like this box, like a whole lot. Is it my top favorite box? Ooh, I don't know. All I know is I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Like, so much. Like, absolutely They need to sell this in a full size. Because, I mean, come on. Look how dark that is. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Whoever doesn't want theirs and hasn't used it, please, please, please let me know. I'll take it off your hands. But yes. Alright, that is the full box. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Hate it? Could have done better? I think the only thing that I would have hoped for is I would have hoped for some kind of like ooey gooey dripping like blood red blood kind of like design for like an overlay. I don't know. Anyone else feeling that? Like it totally needed something like that? Like a freaking bloody gorgeous wannabe look-alike with the little dripping, ice cream dripping, blood dripping, like the drip, drip. I don't know. That's my thoughts, but comment below what you think, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.